A new landmark for Bengaluru, a new home for a giant. Amazon has moved into the north, right by the airport. A tactical choice? Clearly. A symbol of power? Most definitely. On February 23rd, they inaugurated a campus that is frankly massive. 1.1 million square feet, 12 floors, 5 acres, enough room for 7,000 employees. When we consider the scale of this project, here it goes. It represents Amazon's largest workplace outside the United States, based right here in Karnataka. As their 10th local site, it cements the region's status as a global powerhouse. Industries Minister M.B. Patil was there. He called it a boost for jobs and innovation. Of course he did. And of course, Samir Kumar, Amazon's India country manager, spoke about permanence. He described India as a priority and Bengaluru as the heart of their global operations. A walkthrough of the facility actually unveils a design of a modern digital city. When we step outside, there is an amphitheater, sports courts, wellness zones. And then, of course, when we step back inside again, there are medical centers, interfaith prayer rooms. Since 2010, Amazon has poured over $40 billion into India. And they aren't done. They have actually committed another $35 billion by 2030. And it is being utilized for AI infrastructure, the cloud, logistics, digitizing small businesses. Amazon are aiming for 3.8 million jobs and actually want to enable $80 billion worth in exports. It is interesting what is unfolding because we have Microsoft, which has committed $17.5 billion for AI and cloud. Google is building massive data infrastructure. Amazon is doubling down, as we just spoke about it. And of course, India is reaping the benefits because India's era as a low-cost service hub is over. Today, the nation offers vast talent, rapid digital growth, and unmatched scale. India is no longer just a support center. It is actually a primary driver of a global technology hub. Which, of course, brings us to why and what about Bengaluru. Critics love to say the city is choking. Traffic, infrastructure, you know what, the usual complaints which we all have to deal with. But you know what, Amazon arrived here 20 years ago. Today, they have 7 fulfillment centers right here, 3 sort centers, 130 delivery stations, and now this massive headquarter. The city is gaining strategic depth, and they're doing it environmentally clean. The campus targets net zero carbon by 2040. High efficiency, responsible sourcing, it's green, it's big, and you know what? It's here. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen, along with the Amazon headquarter office, the front page take. This move by Amazon is about influence. Amazon is weaving itself into the very fabric of India, from AI code to logistics. Global giants are building their future right here. And of course, they also consider India as a huge market. And Bengaluru has become the new nerve center. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.